Hi friends, welcome to Chemistry Online friends. In the last class, I discussed about the Grignard reagent. From Grignard reagent, by using Grignard reagent with the aldehyde ketones and acid halides and esters, we are preparing the alcohol. This is primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. In the last class, I discussed about formaldehyde, aldehyde and ketones. Now we will discuss about the esters. Esters. Keep in mind now this is one of the esters. This is CH3, C double bond O CH3. This is methyl acetate. This is methyl. This word is called acetate. Methyl acetate. Methyl acetate. This is reacted with Grignard. You can use any other alkyl group here. I am always using methyl only, don't consider. There is ethyl, phenyl, whatever you can consider, no problem. Now here MgBr. This is a negative word. Otherwise I will write first in the form of reaction. This is the first step. And second step is hydrolysis. Then what we have to put that I am writing here? CH3, COH, CH3, CH3, along with this MgBr, O, H also will get another byproduct that I will show you. This is tertiary alcohol. Now keep in mind the mechanism. CH3 double bond to OCH. This is ester. In the first step, it reacts with the Grignard reagent, methyl magnesium bromide. It is also called organometallic compound. This is. Then answer the question: which of the following is the organometallic compound? Like this question also they ask. What is the organometallic compound? Bonding between the carbon and metal. Bonding between the carbon and metal. This is carbon and this metal. So this type of compounds are known as the organometallic compound. Keep in mind the bond between the carbon and metal. That is called organometallic compound. Next. Now this negative part will bond to here and this will be shifted to oxygen. Then we will get here CH3 O minus and this is CH3 O CH3. Here we will get a negative word MgBr. Carefully. This negative part comes to here, then this will be eliminated. When it is eliminated, CH3, C double bond to already one bond, this will form one more bond. This CH will get right side, this is CH3. Next, this MgBr and this negative word. When it comes like this negative word, then OCH3 like that. So we know that magnesium is plus, then two negative equal, one negative, second negative, neutral. Okay. So this is also forming a byproduct. That's why I told you another byproduct also forms. This is another byproduct. Now this is ketone. This is acetone. So with acetone already we discussed. In the last class already explained about the acetone react with the Grignard and what it forms, tertiary alcohol. So keep in mind how many moles of or how many equivalents of Grignard reagent utilized in this reaction? Here one acetone to this one more Grignard reagent. Total two equivalents of Grignard reagent utilized. If you don't, it means not understanding, I will write once again. CH3 MgBr. This negative part bonded to here. This will become then already CH3 O MgBr. Next already CH3 is there. This is the bond to this carbon. Then CH3. Now acidic hydrolysis. We know that one shortcut. H is bonded to more electron and OH bonded to the less electron. Then we will get here CH3 OH CH3, CH. This is a tertiary alcohol form here. Alcohol gives the byproduct. What is the form here? MgBrOH. MgBrOH. Now, this is one more equivalent, this is one more equivalent. What are the two equivalents of Grignard reagent utilized? Sometimes if you answer question, they will give a compound. How many Grignard reagents are required to convert into the specific product? Like this also they may ask. For example, the esters are converted which type of alcohol? Tertiary alcohol. But already I told you that sometimes it is the secondary alcohol. When it is the secondary alcohol, keep in mind here. If it is hydrogen, this is called methyl formate. What do you call this? Methyl formate. This is also ester. That time here H is there. Here also what will you get there? H one. Carbon bonded with the how many carbons? 2 carbons. That is called secondary alcohol. If you want to make an alcohol here this is H in here also. H. This is also H. This is also H. Now this is not ketone. This is what you call aldehyde. Which aldehyde is CH3 CH2. It can be written like this also. CH3 C double bond H. This is called acetaldehyde. It is already discussed in the last class. Acetaldehyde. Now here H is there. Here also H1, then here also H1. Carbon bonded to how many carbon? 2 carbon. That is secondary alcohol. Keep in mind. Generally, H is not there. In other case, always it gives a tertiary alcohol. H is there. If methyl or any other formate is there. Formates are give secondary alcohol. This is somewhat higher evolution. But in any food they may give esters give the tertiary alcohol. But some ester with the hydrogen group of having they will use a secondary alcohol also. Now this type of compound may be given mentioned. Double bond group. Like this may be given. For this compound, how many Grignard reagents are required? How many RMGX is required? Then how to answer? If aldehyde is in the last class, you may observe one RMG is required. For ketone, one RMG is required. Now esters. Now only it is ester. How many moles required? 1 and 2. So this part is ester part. Here 1 required, here 1 required, and here 1, here 1. Total how many RMGs required? 4. This is aldehyde part. 1 RMG is required to convert alcohol. This is a ketone part. This is converted to alcohol. Here also 1 RMG is required. This ester is completely converted to their alcohol, and here also it required 2 moles of RMG. Total 4 moles of RMG is required to convert its complete compound. That is, if you may ask the question, then what is the product form if it is used 4 moles of RMGX? Now, already in the last class, aldehyde is given primary, secondary alcohol. Which aldehyde is formaldehyde is primary, and aldehyde is secondary, ketone is tertiary. This which type of aldehyde? Not formaldehyde. Keep in mind, this is not formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is this type of aldehyde is formaldehyde. This other aldehyde. Other aldehyde is coming to OH. This CH will come from Grignard reaction. Here, this ketone will convert to tertiary alcohol, and here this methyl group will convert to methyl group come from Grignard reaction. Here 1 mole Grignard reagent is here 1 mole Grignard reagent is. This CH3 comes from where? From Grignard reagent. Okay. Now here ester is. First it is eliminated. This ester part of the OCH eliminated. Then this is C double bond to OCH. C double bond to O, whatever the CH or whatever CH. First it eliminate. It eliminating. This is also converting to alcohol bond with acid hydrolysis. Here OCH is eliminated. OCH is eliminated with the common which one? Magnesium. But if it is hydrolyzed, here also we had. Now this part is double bond O and H type, it may be there. Sorry. CH3, CH2 times. Keep in mind, if esters are there, how many moles of pre-chlorine utilized? 2 moles. It means how many CH3 we have to add? 2. One CH3, another CH3. Their mole is converted into which one? OH. See? One CH3, another CH3, and this is converted into OH. So this is a product. I think it is look like somewhat difficult only for you, but we have to practice this. Because clear mechanism is mentioned here. Now, I will do the reaction with the acid halides. Acid halides. One of the best example is acetyl chloride. This acetyl chloride react with first step is Grignard-René methyl magnesium bromide. You can use any methyl magnesium chloride also, no problem, but this is frequently used. And the second step is H3O plus. When esters are used or when acid halides are used, Grignard-René require excess. It will be more than 1 mole. Here also excess it is used because 2 moles are utilized here. Then here CH3 OH CH3 CH3 along with magnesium bromide and OH. This is which type of alcohol? Tertiary alcohol. So what is the mechanism for this? This is similar to ester mechanism. Keep in mind this is CH. This is C double bond O Cl. Now react with Grignard in the first step. This negative part bonded to here, this will be vanished. Next, this will be converted to CH3 O and D Br. This negative part, this positive, this negative. Here Cl, this will be CH3 bonded to Grignard. When this negative part comes to here, this Cl will be eliminated. Cl is good living, you may be studying the SN1 SN2 reaction. Next, here what is found here? CH3, C double bond O, CH3. CH3 form double bond, C double bond O, CH3, CH3. Along with this, what is the byproduct? MgBrCl. Now it is ketone. This is ketone. Which ketone is acetone. Already we know here also. If because first step is acetone is there, then it gives a tertiary alcohol. Similarly, if you want here again CH3 and GBr, this negative part will go into here. This will become to here. Then here product is CH3 O and GBr. Here negative part. Already CH3 CH3. This CH3 bonded to this carbon. Then here CH3. Already we know the trick. What is the trick here? More electronegative is bonded with the less electronegative. That's why this is the case here. H plus, here OH minus. Now the product is CH3, COH, OH, CH3, CH3, CH3. Then this is called tertiary alcohol. But in this case also, secondary alcohol formation possible if here H is. Because already explained here H is it form the secondary alcohol. So here also formyl chloride is gives the secondary alcohol. Clear the concept? So these are the all are preparation of alcohols. Now all are the these are preparation of alcohol. I will give a few examples. Then you have to write the product. Consider this is one of the compound. First step, magnesium, dry. Second step, pH, CH2. Third step, H3O+. Now whatever we discussed, that is first one is preparation of Grignard reagent. Second one is after Grignard reagent preparation reacts with the aldehyde or ketones or esters or acid halides, we got the primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. Now here either Grignard reagent appearing? No. We have to prepare. Because this alkyl halide, already I told you that one reaction RX react with the Mg in dry ether. It gives the RMgX. The first stage, this is only X. So this is X, we are in X. That is bromine, iodine, chlorine. This is the alkyl. This is the magnesium in dry ether. Then what will get first? Grignard reagent. So I will explain here because we have to learn the concept. If questions are given like this, then how to answer. Then this is form MgBr. Correct? This is Grignard reagent. I told you that R may be any group. That if you observe that is Grignard reagent preparation, R may be any group. That may be aryl, vinyl, primary, tertiary, secondary, whatever group. Possible. This Grignard, first step completed. Second step. In the second step, what we will do? pH what is that? Benzene. pH what is that? Benzene. On this, what is the aldehyde group? Then generally students what they will do? They will make this a negative part because in Grignard reagent this is a negative, this plus, this negative. So this negative what I did? This negative, this is plus, this negative. This negative you are thinking to here and this will be converted like this. That's not whatever reaction is the same. Then this will be added to this carbon. This will be OMgBr. Here already H is there, and this is benzene. Benzene can be written as pH also. Otherwise, if you want the benzene, I will write it. Next on hydrolysis, second step. That is third step here. Here hydrolysis will be here H and here OH. Then you will get here OH, H. This is the benzene. Along with this byproduct is MgBr and OH. This is the product. But this product is not possible. You have to know which is possible, which is not possible. Then student may think that whatever I wrote, everything is clear only and right up here to you, everything. But if you are well known in the haloalkene chapter, like this reaction, RMgX react with any proton source. It will be proton donor. It may be H2O or RSH or ROH or like this. This is proton source. Another is RNH2 like this. Anyway, these are all proton source. This can be written as like this HOH. This H is and this one. Both combined to form the RH. Alkane formation, you will remember this reaction is haloalkane chapter. So here proton source is here. NH2 is there, amine is there, here also amine is there. So this further reaction is not occur. Reason, already here one proton is there, immediately converted into which one? Observe. This product not possible. The formed product is here again, it is minus part MgBr and this H is added here. further reaction with the aldehyde is not possible. Whatever hydrogen that hydrogen here. So this is a product formation possible, but this is not. Because acid-base reactions are very fast reactions, we will learn in the first year. This is nucleophilic addition reaction. Okay, this is somewhat slow. Here bond making takes somewhat time, but acid-base reactions are very fast reactions. That's why this reaction is possible, not this one. So these are the questions somewhat look like complicated. This is somewhat mean level, J level, but C level there is no time like this question will ask. That's why you have to be careful. So for that purpose, one more example I will give. You will answer or not, I will check. Now consider this one example. Here, bromine. This is react with magnesium, dry. This is the first step. Next, second one. What you got? Any other aldehydes, for example, acetaldehyde. And third step is acetic hydrogen. You have to answer this. See, same type. Bromine, magnesium trihydrogen. Then what is form was lignocellulose. So here Mg will add in between these two and bromine. Next step is react with the second step or here react. That we have to observe. Here which part is the ester. In this group already ester is already studied the ester reaction. So it will react inside already present one functional group. It will not go with another one. So here whatever the product we are expecting this that is not possible. The reaction possible inside the ester. These are somewhat complicated. So one example I think enough to understand this. We have to practice like this. So inside already like any groups are there. Or aldehyde, ketone, esters, acid halides are there. They will react with that. Later on they will try to react with this. Okay. This is one of the good question. But one more example is that is also important for your C level also and B level also. Now consider this is one compound. It is react with RMGX in the first step. Second step is H3O plus. This is RLI. This is called alkyl lithium. This is a minus, this is a plus. Whatever the reaction we studied with the aldehyde, ketone, esters, acid halide, it also gives the same product. That's why I am not discussing. You know, textbook also may not be given. It not is only given. But in competitive exam, you will ask with this. First step this. Second step is the H3O plus. Whatever the product form with this RNAX, with this also same product form. That you have to remember. Okay? Because here also negative bond is the negative bond attached to the same double bonded carbon, same product you will get. Now, this is a negative bond. See, this is a 1. What do you call this? 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, this is a 4. I am not giving the IUPAC nomination number. The position where this R may be added. 1, 2, 3, 4. Otherwise, you may give like this also. 1, 2, 3, 4 also. That is your choice. Okay? So like this addition may be possible where? That number only I get. Keep in mind, this may be added here, this will be added here. Isn't the 5 bond shifted towards the oxygen? Then we are getting here double bond O minus MgBr, and here is the CH3 R means here R. Next step is hydrolysis step. H3O plus well known here. This is a more electronegative and this is a less electronegative, more electronegative. Then we are getting the product H. Here R, here OH, here double bond. This is the product. If here number 1 is here 2 is even. This H is added to the second position, R is added to the first position. So this is called 1-2 product. 1-2 product means the addition takes place at which position? First and second position. That is the 1-2 product. So keep in mind, when lignoidine or alkyl lithium is there, generally it gives a 1-2 product. Same reactant if another reagent is there, that is called R2CuLi. This is different. So this is first step. This second step is H3O plus. Now keep in mind, in this case, this time here is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, this is a 4. R, one of the R is bonded here. So when R is bonded to here, this bond will come to here, this bond will come to here. So here one R is, here double bond, here O minus Mg, not Mg, sorry. This one what? CuRli. This what is here. Later on hydrolysis, you will get here OH, here double bond, here R. This will undergo atomization, double bond. It means you may be doing atomization first here. This bond comes to here, this bond comes to here, this negative and this positive bond from here. Already here R is a R. Keep in mind, this which type of product? 1 position, 2 position, 3 position, 4 position.